now story ohoni ansana yako eye the ehia pa no so. And today I had to Mr. P. Yes. Asama and the sorry I nyina ebehu ye ni. Yes say the peace the EC boss, the OSP. Yes say 10 petitions seeking the removal of EC chair Jane Mensa, her 2 deputies and special prosecutor Kissi Agyabeng have been forwarded to the Chief Justice for determination of prima facie against them. Prima facie. Yes, see, and I can say, Nipa a petitions in Kwa edu. Hey, they do the also have 5 o'clock, Becca 5, also have 3, Becca 2. Edu petitions in Kwa edu, and a Ekoka president in Ghana 4, and almost said Dabi. J. Mensa, any the deputies, boss Mamoni or Mama Kano, any Kissi Agyabeng, president, engineer constitution, so na ondi mrano so, na Ghana 4 be a woman say, Omujuma Omudino, Sebio, no maybe Omuye in entwa munta or say a pamomo. Remember, Omo the petition to come out presidency, no. Omuye Ghana 4. Now, John Dramani Mahama, only 2 me also or the PAM EC boss. Tie, Mema kwasiye bin kwatena Angel FM ochana no pa mekeka nkwasi asem nkyira santeman. Mema odwan bin kwatena Kesmin FM mekeka nkwasi asem nkyira santeman. Mema ofui bi metena movement TV kwasi aforo mo ho fi no e medada santeman. Ma yenka no kwani ndwedwem wa ha. Asem no nyina ne se nipa bi di petition akoma President Mahama a mo ye Ghana fo. Omo se dwumadia Jane Mensa ene the deputies miensa edi no enso eni. Keta so hye proye akankan de ene nyoma bi omo ye ebu mra so nti President Mahama enjina Ghana constitution no ontu wanamon ye wo anamontuo a constitution ahye ye se yentu petition so ebo obi te se Kissi Agyabeng a oya special prosecutor so din se ono so no so ye de no ho asama ba ye se John Mahama ontu wanamon. Now John Mahama as the president of Ghana only 2 me say obeden obegina president obegina Jubilee House aka say meyi nkofo wedi ana ensem na de ama me no ma hwehwem me hu ni so mudi for President Mahama oni sa atumi no the President Mahama emra no ana constitution ehye ne se onye no ene se ne nsaka sankrata na John Mahama onye lawyer, John Mahama sebio onye judge. Your constitution ne kire se eba sansensem na because of emra ewom ene nhwehwemu a ewom nti constitution ne John Mahama say sakrata ne beka ne nsa onwo netiko enkoma eye the chief justice na chief justice so enhwe say ensem a ya bɔ no bɔtɔ edu a egu sakrata no so no sebio ordinary hwem a onim emra onim de no ohu se bibi ampa ewom se omo ndi mra so a ewo se sebio emra no edin wudwuma na chief justice so ama ho kwan se constitutional de ahye se enye no ewo se ye nti mema kwasie bi nkotena radio so anopa mema otwe ba bi nkotena nka se yese John Mahama be pam EC boss or be pam Kissi Agyabeng. John Mahama oni to me a de pam Kissi Agyabeng. John Mahama oni to me a de pam EC boss and deputies because constitutional emma no ho kwan na constitutional de emma ho kwan ne se Ghana de bi hu se Jane Mensa dwumadi a odi no emfa kwan mu Kissi Agyabeng adwuma odi no emfa kwan mu a otumi tron ho krata koma president say president hwe constitution nim de kire se ye no na wo ye the constitution kire John Mahama se onye no wa ye no and the John Mahama e de petition akoma chief justice because constitution is hye no say wo John Mahama wo ye president na mom uni to me say obepam nkofo we anasa obekipi omo eye wo say wo di constitution emra kese a eye emra pon a ebo Ghana ho bra no enti John Mahama edi mra no so and ono so awo constitution de tiko e de akoma chief justice say wo na sebio eba emra mu nsem nhwehwemu ne adeade a hu say we de we atochema we ntochema wo na wo ni munyansa enti John Mahama edi constitution so awo petition de tiko edu ne nyina akoma chief justice say ono enhwem na ondi wudwuma se sebio ensam na eye petitioners ne chiro no enkofo di for anase omudi bem. So at this point the constitution is being followed the same way time Akufo-Addo about power. Obi petition come Akufo-Addo, nkofo bi come Akufo-Addo, na na danko Akufo-Addo edema chief justice no the same thing. Obian bu mraso. Obian tia constitution. Ghana mra no yen nyina o se ediso. In time Akufo-Addo be di president and nipa bi extra petition. Say Nana Akufo-Addo petition no e wo so hwehwemu no ohwemu no no so de ma chief justice so fa Akufo. Sata na so fa Akufo na chief justice e no dane man so madam constitution e hye me say yemfa ma wo. Ena so fa Akufo so hwemu ena oye the constitution e kire no. Inti ende no ye the petition come president no the chief justice a the constitution e kire no ena waye. Inti at the end of the day mema odwan ba bia nkotena TV so nkaka se John Mahama pam obi ana John Mahama ne NDC fo bi ahyehye ho. John Mahama oni tumi ya the pam EC boss. Oni tumi ya the pam Kissi Agyabeng. The constitution that has that power to do that. And John Mahama osho constitution that say. And inti na odi imrana so. Inti sesiano sa asem John Mahama ni tumi obetuma pamo munti anase ensema e wokra time no ontumi enka se menkwa na madwene ho nti constitution say John Mahama on saka former chief justice inti ene John Mahama awo eye petition ne tiko e de akoma chief justice inti ye twen the chief justice so ebeka na chief justice ne kasa na afi ya yeden ya toa so efri ho se oya Ghana ni na de meka na ebia ema wadwene mu ayo yiram kakra me team ne say me read the constitution ne kano send be ya kwasia bi enkotena eye movement TV ne ho fi a ondware ya no patututu an hoka enkodaada wo say oh NDC for John Mahama ebe pam EC boss eni ntina menya abotira me yes ade me team ne say me kan constitution ne kakra nkire mo adekudie ntia ende petition ne kodu John Mahama ho e Jubilee House a wa woso e de ama chief justice yensua de se na be ya ofuimba ana imfuimba bi omonum kankan bi ntumi kotena movement TV Angel FM, Kesman FM, and some other station to say Inshra FM, and sa radio saka to say Adum FM no and kwatena ho enko jimi omho. Ni nyina entine ka ho a ema ye di dwuma die we a na sebio ye de constitution so akyerew na wo ye Ghana ni a wate eye de sene ye kyekere oman no. Intimi team ni say me read the constitution kakra na menjudwom. Team. Okay, I have it now. Me read the kakra na menjudwom. Na Ghana fo nyina enhu de eko. Now constitution say neka. Team it's in. All right, I can use it now. Thank you. The team say benkan we nyina enkyeremo. Team, I got only okay, I got the 3. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. P. Thank you, sirs. All right. Oh. Team. Okay, I have it. Thank you. It's the constitution say neka. In chechimam chechemu nyina no say na constitution neka. Now, so already a petition to the president. The Ghana constitution eka nie. Ma mbiam say na be akwase bi nkasa me da Ghana for omo ba omuntumi biam say ema unhu. Now, petition to the president. A citizen or group submits a formal petition to the president alleging misconduct, incompetence, or inability to perform due to infirmity of body or mind. In 2025, 10 such petitions were submitted against the EC Chair Jane Mensa, her deputies, and the Special Prosecutor Kissi Agyabeng. 2. President forwards petition to the Chief Justice. It make sure senior edidi so. Now, just say a few way sabio a year 2025 way and a nipa bi send petition. A year petitions nkwa edu. Edekoma a year president to say a year CJ. A EC boss or the deputies any OSP no I was a president efambra kwanso na sebio enya homo nse bi omaya any omodwuma no ebobra no yema omode yentwe omaso anase yenyi omoto akonwa. Now the next step in say president forwards petition to the Chief Justice. Now the president does not investigate the matter. President on hwehwansem petitioner in Sakano, president is not an investigator. He does not represent the court. He does not represent the judiciary. And yet, Nejuma said, so the president does not do investigations or the president does not investigate the matter. His role is to transmit the petition to the Chief Justice for preliminary assessment. Inti, a just said, a become president in Sa, I was said, or what the Tico, Edicoma Chief Justice, not Chief Justice Mum, Eshum. Preliminary assessment or say Chief Justice also ebom pensem na ohun de ekoso e petition in the 10 petitions ni nyina no e was say Mr. Bafuboni e pensem and the preliminary assessment. Now, uko enima, this is what it says. That's one, right? Now, uko enima say neka. Now, preliminary assessment by the Chief Justice. The Chief Justice determines whether the petition has a prima facie case, that is, whether the allegations are serious and credible enough to warrant further investigation. In the petition, the Chief Justice in Sa, on in the bishop who say, okay, making can crata way in who say, ampa. In some of what petition, which I say, J. Mensa, OSP, any J. Mensa deputies, no, Oma and Yoma be a M for Quemu, Nemum, Ingina Swoma, I was say, yeah, dear, Yamushimu. In the Chief Justice is weighing the petitions because of his knowledge in law. No, he's weighing the petition to say, Bibi Oma, a Gina, a chre. A one jina so a say e was say sakra tawi e was say a hwehwem e say EC boss no ene e OSP ene EC boss no deputies no omo aye enuamo ho nsem ana omo animbra bi so ejuma ede ma omo no nti o say yi omo to akonwa na nti de o say EC Chief Justice yeni e was say ohwehwem ohun say enjina so wom ohun say sebio eye evidence no ano eden a sebio e kire say omo di bone na mpa. Now, Chief Justice no ayeden what the ama a committee. If a prima facie case is established, the Chief Justice sets up a 5-member tribunal. Inti the Chief Justice ni e pensen kratanim no who say ampa sakrata way petitions we there. In fact, yasi J. Mensa or koya procurement bi we boom raso or you mu say ampa OSP did you deal with you akwaje bribe ampa nyoma bi omu ye entwa ye boss na sara akwaje bribe into ohun se nyina gina na so ampa enyina so wo ho a e wo se sebio ye toto o ma no a na wate committee nipa num se mo nipa num we mo na mo metena asem we so enhwehwem. After that, this tribunal includes at least 3 justices of the Superior Court. Sa nipa num no, e wo se emu miensa eye judge for miensa sesi emi no kase omu ye dwuma Supreme Court. And 2 other members appointed by the Chief Justice in the consultation with the Council of State. Inti nipa mienu na kana or say Chief Justice any Council of State etna se na ono mu di nsawoso ka se or see a nipa mienu ka ho. Inti ano de a Council of State any Chief Justice na badwene ho ehu nipa a omo hu ni se we mu de se bi omo adwene eko echire omo ni mu mra e o se de omo mienu eka judge for miensa no ho. Sa adwuma die no na wo se Chief Justice edi. Now, uko wanim a the petition no me dwom sana ba kwase bi nkotena movement TV e me kan kire wo se Mahama apam obi Mahama na ye we omo agimi omo nkenkan ti eni ti na ye dwuma de we tribunal investigations the tribunal no yete a ana nipa num ne tena ase a dwuma be no mo bedi dwuma mo die ni. The tribunal conduct a formal inquiry during which the accused has the right to be heard and defend themselves. Inti nipa enum no, se Chief Justice eyi judges miensa omo Supreme Court, na so okohia Council of State no munya nipa mienu ka ho a. Sa nipa num ne tena ase a, sa nkofo omo aba asem a ya petition eti omo no, e wo se omo ba na omo be defend omo ho. OSP yate odi owi nkrante ene apan na apan na owi ne sister utai wia na enya apan a odi upe to nkrante bi wo ha e kire se ayampa apan no wanfa upe ne toye na uko wia na obi efuom pictures nie uka ho asem sen na OSP abeyi ne ho ano na abaka se oh dabi media apan na mewe no sebio ankonam mekoto apan na me rekoma me wo fa asibi ma ne de hye fridge m enti busum miedu bia na makode apan no na mababa ye nkwan enti na amanfo adwene ye omo se sebio apan no meko wia na enso me wia me wo fa asibi na de hye fridge mu mame na OSP akoyi ne ho ano obi di se J. Mensa ne afra ne Jane yate se wosra unanim nyina etum otumwa etum wani ase nyina etuntum onsechi e black yese osra Agyabeng pokra na se osra eye Ukraine for de osida bi de mesra de sebi onkofo hu ni ye eye alata semina any sunlight na eye de rexona na medesra nti nkofo ka se eye pokra efri Agyabeng ana se Ukraine no omoboa nti me de nku amedesra no sebi eye alata semina po eye lax na eye de imperial land na me de mexe na afei committee no so etie. Now, the process is quasi judicial and follows due process. Inti yesi sa eye from a process we no a di emras a yamra no mudi so de intanya so obegina obetumi de lawyer ba obetumi edi mra no so say omudi mra no so fenchem krojin make sure say omuntia ofa ahudie so na wo so sebi wontwa ntro entete ho nti ayamra no na omunyina di so omuntata wo so ntata omo obia de na kumam adwinfi akomapa ene akoma fita edidi no kure sebi eho no krampo no osua ekire onyankopon ana bosoma wosom ekire se asem beka no hobia no sebi asem a wudi fo no yeso pa e wo se etwuma so nti ayade bia omudi mra so pepepe e ma ne kosi bibia wo se esi na wo ba recommendation to the president nti so omututu nkofo anu nyina ewie na omunyina bebo mu nkuro na so omuhwehwem na omugigi joma no na omde adanse ni nyina sisi ani na omuwie a ye fra bibi eye recommendations nipa 5 no ombecho recommendation ama president say ye tutu o ma no je Mensa ka say one de semina odudware no se bio enye pokra efri Abidjan anasa Ukraine na embiem de odudware ne alert semina odelax ene imperial ladder kakra fra nti ne nkofo kan nyina omoboa na eye OSP no so no na asem nyina no say apan na owe no se bio na onwia oto apan efri kow na de ama ne wofa ase bi ewo e de German South oho ena ya ofrizi man no okofa e de be apan kwan nti nkofo se owia apan a enya apan na owia na be bio oje eye apan a wa store ena ono nti na boss na asare so ne ebusa na oye gay na onye gay so da bi mekasa te se gay nanso menya gay sebio mesie tu na ama megire enchese me yagimifo amanfo hu sama no ay mama enchese me yakwase ampanyi ebia nipa hu manim se me yagimigimi di se kufu adbentesa nti boss man so betuma keka ne nsem etwetwetwa no ho ne hu so obia aboni nkro nti omu wi a no my recommendation de omu tie no no me akoma president recommendation de ne wom. After the inquiry, the tribunal submits its findings and recommendations to the president. Into the recommendation, the omogin say it was a president, ejina constitutional editu one among. If the tribunal recommends removal, the president is constitutionally bound to act on it. Say committee no nipa 5 na you're from a tribunal no so the recommendation ne ba no mka say Mr. President Mensa no boa semina odi dware no enye sebio enye alata semina ene imperial ladder ene lax no wa make say eye Abidjan for pokre ene odi srana him enti obegina no boa pamono e was a president no ediso if we say constitutional esseno ye fa bibi constitutionally bound. Yakasa be a bounder, a bamo, a show. Into President Mahama there, basically he is just a vessel. He is waiting for the committee to tell him say, Mensa na obwa, e Abidjan pokre, nembum, enya edian, ala tesemina, e edian OSP. Apaina na ose otodo command wofas na obwa apano na owie sika na odeto ena corruption sika na ode apan kwan ono so boa eye boss na sare so kase onye gay no oboa yakon the pictures bia bibisha no to ono so ye gay into Mr. President recommendation constitution kire said de be ka kire no elso ye so the president is constitutionally bound constitution esseno it forces him. It tells him what to do. So he has no option than to follow what the recommendations are. Into President Mahama there, technically, only the vessel, what the recommendation would say no is what the president would do because the constitution emra pon kase na ebogana ho bra no eseno se onye enti se constitution no kase Mr. Mahama make sure say recommendation we disua ya kase empam Mensa only option also or sign no kase Mensa go home bossman go home any apan ambassador go home. That is how it's going to be. It's mema kwa siebia nkotena Movement TV. Mema kwa siebia nkotena Insha FM. Mema odwan bia nkotena Kesbin. Mema ofui bia nkotena Angel FM. Anopa medada Ghana for say John Mahama and ebe pamu because as we speak today, Mensa only for. As we speak today, Bossman Asari only for. As we speak today, OSP only for. As we speak, petition for Mubian until the investigations are done, until the Chief Justice even sees to say there is reason to move this to a committee. So as we speak, the Chief Justice has not established anything, say, or say eco committee. So we are waiting for what the Chief Justice will say. Hey, in some hopa. As we speak, there is a sexual harassment complaint against Albert Akurugu. But Mr. Kissi Agyabeng has refused to act. Hey. Allegation power. As we speak, there is a sexual harassment complaint against Albert Akurugu, Mensa OSP officer. Kissi Agyabeng knows about it, but he has refused to act on it. That is the allegation. Now, Mr. Akurugu is saying that there's a big man in government who is behind him, and that big man, because of that big man, he is not going to leave the OSP office and nobody can touch him. Mr. Akurugu, there is a sexual harassment complaint against Albert Akurugu, but Kissi Agyabeng has refused to act. Akurugu is going around telling people that, oh, he has a big man in this government who is behind him, and that sexual harassment matter will not go anywhere. That is why his boss, Kissi Agyabeng, does not want to even act on it. Let's see. Maybe. Let's see. And who is this big man? Let me ask. Tell me the name of the big man so that I can tell Ghanaians who this big man is. Now, you ask yourself, say, Aban we aba. Again, Aban we here. Every single day the government is working. So I was starting free tree. Recently we spoke about a kwanya friend express road though. Say express road that the president say sa kwanya no ombe ye free nkran e de akotwemu asantememu de akosrem. And sa kwanya de wutisi soa. No stop. And the person be the traffic problems. And no toast necessary no. Unim say utia toast na ko. Ebin si Ghana da. This is the first time I buy a bar. I buy say under John Mahama obey express road from a year all the way from Asia to the north. Yet ya ena a year bantama MP a year asenso bontia a cultural letter comma President Mahama say. On Tiasi, I didn't know yedi express road eba befa santimemu. Remember, express road, you know, it is passing through hundreds and hundreds of communities and so many regions. So the express road, you know, it is not only passing through Ashanti region. Nobody should get it twisted. When they say the express road na Mahama can and the Mr. Abuja, the road minister, Aka said the government is committed. So Omubabe express route all the way from down here through the Ashanti to the north, no, it is going to be it is going to go through hundreds of communities, hundreds of districts, hundreds of villages, hundreds of towns, and so many regions. We need to understand it is not only going through Kumasi, but we all know the news. Senebeya Asantemai MP Bantama. Ashanti region, one of the biggest places Omunya vote Kesiano. A young man who used to be a minister wrote a letter to the president to tell the president, say, Adentina, Opesa will say Sika. Express road fire krum. Hey, first no mubu baby say, the ope at the pa akokotoko ni yendina bro. And then the abro nankasa dane kotoko. And then the kotoko na yepe de kuno. Yepe kotoko no. Je opa de pa akokotoko no ye pese ye kwache kotoko no twaliti na afi ehu se ade pa de kwa de ye mfa ma ene na asantefo ade hye bantama MP eye because nanka obi pa de pa ba kotoko ye kwan de abefa kotoko ye mpuntu abefa kotoko a de na kotoko na natumka kire se ade ntina ye se sika aya de ekwan abefa kotoko na se sa kotoko na no oye musioma kotoko because ye nyina ebo kotoko man ban ye bokotoko ho ban ye be protect kotoko e de na kotoko this year ye di tumi ma no infie wotwe se onu mpo de anka ommoa na yenya kwan pamfa kotoko no saa kotoko this year se adenti na ye di adepa eba kotoko ende adepa na ye de ba kotoko no enya adepa no kotoko na ye be gya adepa no kotoko ade hye person ku kotoko na se de be adepa no ba beduru no na kotoko ni ho eno na man ye dangerous no. Now, it's so interesting to say, as some way by, it is one of the biggest news. Ghana for in centuries. I met a century, in years or in decades. Centuries, then I say also. In decades. Nanka, I was saying, be a kumum. I can say, where in the year penny. We have complained about roads. We have complained about how many people die on our roads every single day. And ekwanya ekuni papaye, ekwanya free enkran eko asantimemu etwemuko, and in the kuni papa or Ghana. But and aban bi aba because aban nye sebio asantifo bi abanti. Asantifo adehye bi ese omo ntiase, omo beye kukwasa edidi nkonkonsa kekansam se ne beya sa express road na ye amana abo dagatini abo zimani abo mfantini abo santini abo koni abo bununi abo nkrani abo Ghana ni bia mampusini kusasini no and asantini baako asantini ni baako ene ni kuo bi se adenti na President Mahama ne Ghana ye pese ye di ekwan be fa ho hey. Na de ma asem ni mu ya wirem ya ne se ye sorry ye na ye se emrantia ne maba bi wo asantimemu omo se from Ashanti youth enye Ashanti youth because okay Ashanti youth na okay Ghana ni bia ote asantimemu a sebio onim nyansa ono so te asantimemu a oboama asantiman etumpon nti that person is in the Ashanti region but say ko we omo so omo ye Ashanti youth meaning omo ya asantifo nkwa mrantie ne mabawa. That's fine. Inti ekuo bi imrantie ne mabawa bi a omo so omo ya asantiman mebunu a omo tena ho ema sewia proye. Omo tena ho ema edien ema eye impuntudwuma te sewia crofo market. Sa mrantie ne mabawa omo so omo mebunu a omo agimi no. Nyansa friend nyansa ebi ndaba akumpa adwene mu no saa nkwasiafo we am from mbebu no mote asantememu omso mo ya asantefo saa mbebu we ya emududu edi over 40 years no na Sewia hospital na omote wo ena for 8 years na epro saa nkwasiafo we am from hu bi Asante youth no they did not speak a word. Saa group from Asante Youth Association no in meburo mo som ya asantefo no na eye den eye Afare hospital siwo na epro na asanteman emu adehye ewu eko konfo no chiwu no sa Asante youth na mo som ya asantefo meburu ni bi no sa nkwasiafo we bi no na omo te asantememu omo anka word. For 8 years MPP eka so be 350 senior high schools free SHS ba na enkwara omo ya asantefo nkwara ededa form enye duade pandi no a ekufuado ne ba omia ne MPP entwensi one school asantememu no sa Asante youth omo ye asantefo mmebunu no sa ntwamoa we na omo te asantememu they did not utter a word. For 8 years tema na yete kronim yete Ghana a sebio Ashanti regional minister eye Simon Osei Mensa sa akwala num tumse kokuo esi sremufo kwasia somo ye mwa na sebio asantefo ni bi eye nipa cheomo na sremufo ni de omo ba asantemem a kire bo mo pane no sa Asante you do omo so omadwene ko akire omo nim nyansa omo akosko omo nim de no they did not release a statement to say omo wofa a eye former de Ashanti regional minister ankasa ye no sa ntwamwa we bi ankasa for 8 years. Where Asante youth, I am not addressing Ashanti youth because if it comes to Ashanti youth, I know the Ashanti youth, they are more intelligent than a small group of termites, political buffoons, Bangladesh idiots who call themselves say, yeah, Ashanti youth. Those are the termites I am addressing. Omo jamunyan sa to binim, and omo just say Jimmy. Into debiano na omo di omo enkwasi ade no ebe say Asanteman no. Because I cherish the Ashanti region. Because Ashanti region is say enquire ede enambia wombi. And is a nipa bi wom enambi wom na enam na ejimi a I was say yi sa nam no totwene. Yentumi fa bonyo no enton kwan mu. And I see the Asante youth as bonyo no omodan kwan mu. These are morons. And omasam ne saying omasam ni tiawa. Omo so release statement in the end. Oh, omo busao President Mahama ne NDC aban. The total allocation earmarked for the project. Almost aban chreye. Sa express road na wo ye no. Sika sen ne de be ye inwan. Inwan ma. Almost say oh, the source of the funding. Now aban yu konya sika we inwan ma. Omo questions omo busa aban. E te say the express road no, e ya santima mu nko na ye no. We mama supekuma wo. Omo question for and say, oh, the consultant engaged for the project. Omo person Mr. President, say a consultant. Me see, sankofo we omo pa de pa sa enkofo from Asante Youth we. Sa mebunu we mu no omo agimi. Omo say, oh, the project timeline and implementation stages. Just say, I saw me a nine. Now, Mankasa, some way a member of Munimunyansa, Marco School, Namunimudi, Namajuni, Juma, Namunko School, Mufiansa. You need to understand, sir, first, there's a regional minister in Kwasiafo. There is a regional minister in the Ashanti region. You could have asked the regional minister because only Asante my president. Yes. And nobody can take out that thing away from the minister. The regional minister of the Ashanti region is the regional president. He is your president in the Ashanti region. He is your excellency in the Ashanti region, whether you like it or not. Obiawa Santime will be our president. No. He is the owner of Ashanti region. When it comes to governance, the Ashanti regional minister is his excellency in the Ashanti region. And nobody can take it from him. But they have skipped the Ashanti regional minister. You know why? Because of Jimmy. Now, after they skipped the Ashanti regional minister, they have skipped the roads minister. Because they be a catch and say, Mumu be Jimmy. And I'm just saying, this shows how weak-minded and foolish some of you young people are. They have skipped the Ashanti regional minister. They have skipped the roads minister. They have gone straight to write a letter to the president. The same way as Enso Boachi at the Pa Ebe funeral or the Neto Kakraka actual letter. It do some time be a yenya santifono, yenim penifo, yenim mebruni bi nkasa, mebruni bi Jimmy. The express road is not passing through only Ashanti region. The express road is passing through Ghana. And it's obiti Ashanti me na adwene ye say. Sa kwan ye because of Ashanti maya. Sa nipa na adwene so. Unless it's our adwene you say, ye ka say the express road e ya Ashanti man nti ne ye. Obian build road because of Ashanti maya. Express road no, it is for Ghanaians. It is going through regions. It is going through communities. It is going through towns and cities. And Asantuma is one of them. Inti monfantu mutimu say enya Asantuma inti any express road no because any Accra Kumasi road no nipa omuwu na enya Asantifo nkwa na omuwu. Inti mona mo from Asante Youth amumu bi mu agimi no. Mami ndwamu biemu. Ewrade Yankopon. Mompe another strategy na emfa. Mumbu bini na motia santimemu na mosemo ya Asante Youth na mumu bi mu agimi no. You still don't understand what is happening. The government of the day is going to construct this road and it's going to cut through the Ashanti region. They also are Bearman on stop sa kwan do Asante mama nempene. Nobody's going to give you these foolish answers. Question the minister. There is a regional minister whose responsibility is to make sure questions be here be abebusa no. Mu ejiminti, mu nko school nti, mama MPP for ni use mu se mu bi mu ye mwa. The same way on Napo, your man had the opportunity to prove himself. No, that is what we are seeing. Some of you are just blood. You are typically foolish. So this you are doing. What is the end game? Oh, and send a human best start. No, you better show me. The show me and Tiasia yam penny. Mumu biana mwe Jimmy ama Jimmy no as atabamu. You group of unserious grass cutters. Some of you are unserious grass cutters. Mwa santifoni bina mugwa santimemuno. E mebruni binu mwe Jimmy. Unim the express roadway beye. Oh, you want to know the consultants? A Jimmy for time na yesi a National Cathedral. Did you ask for consultants? A Jimmy for Mumu bi mai say nyan. Yes, National Cathedral. Did you people ask about how much it was going to cost? Did you ask about the project, where the money was going to come from? Did you ask about the consultant? Moye nyana, ana mubi no moso ano pa. Modi nkureduro ena fa mo niase ana. Mo jimi ana. Ain't if say obi ama mo answer we ya there na mo beye. Say mo enya answer there na mo beye. Ombete mo ho. Mi busa mo. Say obi ama mo answer there na mo beye. Ashanti youth. Say nka we anka youth ni Ashanti youth anka the way anka me approach you nka me respect you mo. But when we say Ashanti youth no, e mebu no kakra bi omo Ashanti me mo jimi. Anytime who say mo Jimmy, mo Bangladesh fools, mo just grass cutters who are not intelligent. And if these questions are not answered, are you not going to allow the road to be constructed? Why na bema? Mama MPP for you zoom with Jimmy Mumubi. In Mebuna Mosiso Anka, you are supposed to be fighting for and bringing development home. No, why is a bentwa? Mumbe bununa makana mumubi mbesu nyansa ya frɛ Ashanti youth yeti ha na MPP for beka kire mo sɛ eye Kumasi International Airport KLM Beland wo ho Ashanti youth nkwasiafo ebesi nde MPP for tabotu for sa akwara de kosi Kumasi Airport edi ne ho agoro sɛ chobi MPP etamampon hene MPP tambantama hene kosi Kumasi Airport edi ho agoro sɛ chobi. You people did not get angry. You could not tell the MPP say they lied to you. You don't respect your chief. You don't respect the 2-4. Kwasi ebi abaro the 2-4 ma tutu form. Na mu de mu Jimmy sa santema mabunu. Montumi sue nyansa nka say we need to defend our own. Every day you are defending foolishness. Yeti krom ha. International flight ben alandi kotoka Kumasi Airport. Mo say toilet mu wa mu bi. Mo sa Ashanti youth we. Mo say toilet mu wa. You have a time more in the case here at the Chobi. NPP time to say Chobi didn't go to airport for about 3 hours. It didn't want to grow. Paul, I don't want to question penny way. On the time or two for Mampon Bantamahine, and him for Cassia Santimemu. Almost to say Chobi, the Omco see airport, Ediom Wagro say KLM Oba, Lufthansa Eba, Delta Eba, United Eba, Kumasi Airport, International Airport. How many years ni? Moye Mebuna Munimunyansa Munya Naya. Munjimi ya. This is the highest form of disrespect. Now mukona manfo dimu atema na mubuofu. Ade na nkofo tamo. Madwene mumubi madwene wo fom tina nkofo dimu atema no because you cannot think. Me Asantini anka beye me ya papa. Because me hu Asantini mebunu no mo tro letter say. Na me hwe sibi anim tia MPP ebu otumfo ani Asanteman. Na Asantini mebunu sorry. Ema politicians yusu omu say ya. Na anka me Asantini anka beye me ya. Because mo Asante fo mebunu ni binu moma Asante ya yes obe Asantini because kwase bia betumi di Asantini atam nne ya tikrom mankofo betam otumfo kosi airport weja mo munye serious John Mahama ni NDC Ofanko Kumasi Road ejinam
where the machine was placed was 176, right? So it means it's a pass. So my Maripoma, who are back on the road to make it happen. This is the Ofanko Pokwase Road, and it is a very, very important stage, and we're here to record it. Now we've got reps from urban roads coming to check the accuracy of the road markings. All right, these are the road markings. The road markings have been done. The road is almost ready, and then I am told professionally that after the markings have been done, there has to be, check and confirmation to know whether the markings have been properly done with the right quality and if it meets the standard it has to meet. So I'm going to have some education here. This is the device being used to check the road markings. And so I'm going to learn and you're going to learn as well. All right, so let's start with the device. The device is the retroreflectometer. It is a device used to measure the reflectivity of a surface, usually road markings or signs. It assesses how much light is reflected back to the source, indicating the surface's visibility and safety at night or in low light conditions. So the reps from the ministry have brought this device to check the standardization of whatever has been done. The markings have been done. Now this is how the device works. The device is placed on the mark and it is allowed to stay on the mark for some time, and then it reads, hits 176. All the marks that have been done right. It could be that at Pokwase, the marks here are within the range of 100 and 176. But you move to Insawam and the marks there are below 100. So the reps go about randomly and decide where to measure from. So they can measure marks here at Pokwase, where the machine was placed, was 100 and explain to you. So reps from urban roads are here and work is seriously ongoing. The marks are going to be checked randomly from wherever we are now, either towards Pokwase or towards Amasaman. Whatever the case, we've learned something and we're still moving on. So have a look at what's been done so far. Maripoma, big shouts to you. Big shouts to government for releasing the funds. Very soon, this road will be open to traffic and we all cannot wait to ply on this road. It is what it is. Eddie is here, Legend is here, Sat is flying the drone. My name is Arnold. We're still on the road. Pokwase in Sawam, Amasama in Sawam, or Fanko to in Sawam Road. It is what it is.
God bless our homeland. Ghana, bless our homeland. Ghana, make a nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Make a nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Hey, God bless our homeland, Ghana. Bless our homeland, Ghana. Make a nation great and strong, both to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Make a nation great and strong, able to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Jimmy, a feeding come on, Opole, my fight. Bao, what any what Jimmy, a feeding come on, Opole, my fight. Bao, what any what any Yesuyo, Yemeno, Michel, any Yesuyo, Yemeno, Michel. One of Timmy, come on, is what I lay. Bao, what any Yesuyo, Yemeno, Michel, any Yesuyo, Yemeno, Michel.
All right, credit to Arnold Mensa Alabanyo doing a great job. A year of Anko in Sawem Road now, NDC. About power na you know. Now you see. Onwe Juma John Mahama in less than a year wabe Ghana. Time at John Mahama about power. Na contractor na oye Juani releases Campo Mano. John Mahama's government came and released money and said, we need this road to be done. This is just under a year. And if what I'm saying is a lie, this is when John Mahama came to power. My
boss Nisaka Abansikana, Ekana no Modino, Abani Chaneka. I think in the range of over 70 million USD. And my boss in Aka scam.
Yeah, almost share project. Yes, this is the first time I hear Tomoka. Now, say Tomoka be that in the previous government, and so I hear you.
Oh, you Tomoka say, and the contractor near Juma, I will be able to resist certificate, you know, not by it. But that's the last one now, a resist, you know, and a check from last year March. It's almost like 17 months, you know. I feel I buying. I had a contractor, and we almost auditing. Enti unza ban for ba was so much check bia na enti that's what they did after omutua ye contractor neka. Yes so to say omutua e ka no ya so ya ndaso ya ba kwan so ya sate ye kwan na wankasa o ye a witness to what you have seen. You should have nanka last week nanka enya de papa but ya no na kas na omoko intente ma omo ko kuma se ni anwo ka hono.
Ghana for here ni mo say at least mo be one lane ye mo trouble to some amawa this kind of inconvenience in create biom mo nya sky sign a project be call no one se na ye hwe na
Sana be kon o share plan na o share baby na very bad na enya the line spotlight for the bad reasons you know e ho na from Saperman Ekwakodu Sansam Junction before media na ye started Juma Sunday Saturday ye twemu ya and I think you call it 4th day and everybody can tell you say mon kata mko no adaze mutu when say they have how hono mutino yensa na hotibium enti conductor no wanya be die na chese ye share say ye twaso ano no bibia wo say na obia onam kwanso no to no ye beye
it project na free hifa kodu hifa
started of Anko Junction Ekwa for Efa Pukwase Eba Fise Festus Ebedu Masterman Efa Second Tele Saperman Agbon number 1 2-man Satellite Media Hebron Ekudu and Sawam Junction into that the structure of the road you know you be for extension of time I was ending next year end of April you lose some months to kakra and I say and sooner I will talk on so how you will need more kakra I think we may crash the program. Ebe Queen Mara, it do be say a hundred into me, so some my by some my America crack or my but the say me to market share as I can say Queen Media. There's no issue they're going to have.
So this is what NDC came to meet. Scanning in less than a year, NDC. This is what we call a government that is working for the people. And maybe on nam of Anko. Sebi ejuma oko wa oye businessman nam so no utumi ko ejuma ntem utumi stay e wo ejuma mu check kakra utumi nyesika kakra obi o yare ene na to ka mu ewu efre ne wuo majority of them omu wu enkwase accident bi esisi. This is all under NDC in less than a year. Enti ekwana ohu ni sa no a contractor gas afa na ya ba o mama yeska o ni ma yeska sika no sope yentimi nya kwan no John Mahama ba ya otamu sika no mo $70 million and the medichira wa waba wonum no enie.
We're back on the road to make it happen. This is the Ofanko Pokwase Road, and it is a very, very important stage, and we're here to record it. Now, we've got reps from clearly means that it is get to the end or wherever they have to get to for the day. If at the end of the day, where the machine was placed,
make a nation great and strong, able to defend the forever, the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our home, Ghana. Jimmy, a feeding come on, Opole, my fire. What any what Jimmy, a feeding come on, Opole, my fire.
Obo ha ebi ohwe onte de ye kana se hwe NDC ba power no ebi ana hu kwan we MPP tina power 8 years they didn't care ma menchire we kwan na ansa na John Mahama ba power no se na kwan tie ebi a hu ya kwan ni. This is what these fools, MPP, they left behind. In less than a year, John Mahama became president 7th of January 2025. And then 1st of December 2025. And do 1 year. January 5th, January 7th, and John Mahama became president. Ne 1 year beso. 1 year, This is what John Mahama has transformed a year of Anko. Now this is
We're back on the road to make it happen, and the marks there are below 100. So where the machine was placed.
Ghana, make a nation great and strong, hold to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Make a nation great and strong, able to defend forever the cause of freedom and of our rights. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Jimmy, a feeding come on, Opole, my fight. Wow, what any what Jimmy, a feeding come on, Opole, my fight. Wow, what any what any yes, you are, Gemino, Michel. Any yes, you are, Gemino, Michel. One of me change, come on, is what I lay. Wow, what any yes, you are.
Now you be quite say Alpha Asantime Mudia Kusrima, Ubusa president is Okunya Scanaway. Now, when a consultant, this is what we call Aban Papaba. Intime Betnaha. Namakacha will say, Kwatuabama MPP. This is less than 1 year. Nama Betna say, Tuabama Baumia, Tuabama Kennedy, Nami or Chamber. Me Jimmy, the catcher Ghana for say, if we keep the NDC in power and we keep them in check, they're going to make mistakes. It's normal. There's a government. There are thousands of people in the government. But if we have become consistent and we put the checks on them and monitor them, the NDC is the only government, only party that can help us. And if we go the pace we are going, if John Mahama keeps the way he's going, that's the NDC twice the way it's going, in the next 40 years, Ghana will be like Malaysia. Mamon Guinness and Krantie we MPP, Omo and Krantio, they are Bangladesh. Omo pa de pa. At least Omo ko for the biachre say, a year kwa pa kromon pe. So let us build Ghana without some of these people. The NPP followers, not to say Krantie. They are like grass cutters. Udia actually no more reasiano. MPP, to say Krantie. Uye furu no mo namasie no more re. Eye den na minister, eye former minister to be letter president, menye kwan we bi maye. Eye den na immebu no mo kroba akum to be say, Mr. President, na kwan na obeye no, sikare ko fa no we. Ukoye so amekura no mo no wo kontokwa me say MPP followers, ene asantefo ni bi mmebunu ni bi no mai senkrante. Uye banchifo no mo namasie no mo re te sa senso boachi. Uye eye den ahwedefo no mo namasie no mo re. These are grass cutters who represent Bangladesh ideas. The NPP are a bunch of Bangladesh. We should not give them any chance. Let us be focused as a people. And credit to Arnold Mensa OSP, one of the best young men in Ghana, letting us know the truth. And I really appreciate his job. And whatever he's doing, say Enkoya, let us know. Ekoya, let us know. Udru baby na kwane delay, let us know. Udru baby na kwane, let us know. That is what we want. It is not because NDC your power. So Drew wanna say, film it and show us. NDC so my let us know. We play it. We want to help build this nation. And we need people who are honest, intelligent enough, like ourselves, to be able to help the people know information. Expressway no befa nkraya befa asantimem akosrem enso yedura asantimem de emu mbebunu bi se ye ntia se MPP any sebio asantifo mbebunu ni bi ye nkrante. And we are not going to some person we banchi ye be force mo di salad. MPP for we almost some young nkrante, they have become Bangladesh. They have become an albatross on our necks. Yentumi nyahwe no, we will force them to eat a to memo mo di a to. Me say some manchen have na moyo no ene ahwede na moyo na, we will force you people to eat balanced diets. Mumpo we will bring the development. Do I bear man no onyi ni bear man kasa ne ho de nche obi wa ha. We will bring development and we will make sure every part of the nation gets that development. And it is a fact. John Dramani Mahama me echo. The last conversation I will indulge myself in is John Mahama beko third term, second term, a foolish conversation. I need somebody who is willing to help Ghana. And as far as the person is proven and has shown. So obetime lead Ghana onim nyansa no. I don't care. Whoever it is, that person is to lead Ghana. So that stupid conversation of John Mahama third term, second term, I don't fucking care about that. What I care about is I need a Ghanaian who is intelligent, hardworking, who is ready to serve the people the way they want. The people will decide who will lead them in their next election.